That's what I said Mika's gonna like it.
So much cooler than I thought it was gonna be. I've never seen a PC like this.
Okay, I may be biased, but mine's the best.
Oh my god! And it's so pink, it's so me.
Yeah, that's
this is
the
like
color
perfect.
theme. I'm glad.
You guys know me. It's like pink, cutesy, all that stuff.
All right, so we just revealed Brooke's PC, and now we're gonna get to reveal Jack's PC, and she's gonna be able to see it first. So let's jump right into it.
I'm excited. I mean, clearly it's not gonna be as cool as mine, but.
Ray said the same thing.
Oh, of course. We're all like, no, mine's the best. No, mine's the best. See, I haven't seen Jack's, but as of now, Ray is a close second with the Mika butt with a Ray logo. I mean, that's pretty darn cute.
The Mika butt.
The Mika butt.
Mika's so cute.
I know. So cute, so fluffy. Oh,
yeah.
I sent it to my parents. They are obsessed.
Oh, you sent the picture?
My mom goes, oh, Brooke, the heart is so cute. I'm like, okay, Mom. This video is about Jack, and I'm like, guys, but how cute is mine?
I'm curious which one they're gonna like more.
Ooh.
The audience.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you're seeing it already?
I see the side. No!
Almost.
Don't you dare! Oh. Holy. That's crazy. See, that's, I feel like this is my favorite part of all of them is like.
What, the little thing where it goes all the way around?
Yeah, it's just like, it's not the normal square. It's like so beyond that with the detailing. Holy smokes, that is just crazy. Wow. Oh, and it's on the back too.
Yeah, it goes all the way around. Think he's gonna like it?
He is going to freak out.
Yeah? That's good.
Because I feel like he's just been really completely revamping his whole room.
Oh, his setup? Yeah.
And his room just, I mean, looks like this, honestly. And so this is just like the icing on the cake, I think, for him. Like this is gonna look insane.
So essentially very similar as far as PCs go, but
Yeah,
obviously the prints are different.
right. So it's same inside, kind of?
Yeah, because he's using his for streaming, which honestly, this is overkill for streaming, but
I mean,
why not? So you guys didn't get to see the GPU from the other side, but that's what you have in your build.
oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it's a nice looking, very nice looking GPU.
I don't know anything about, I'm like, oh, it looks beautiful. That looks so pretty.
The color is really nice.
That's how I base everything. I'm like, well, how does it look? And those are the
80 Supers, they came out
4080
recently.
Super.
Yeah. So they came out January.
How is that different from a 4090? I'm learning as I go.
So the 4080 Supers, they bumped them up a little bit in performance.
Oh, so mine's better than Mason's is what you're telling me.
No, he's got a 4090.
Oh, he's over there waiting to school me on it. He's like, you really thought. Okay, but it's pretty cool still. It's not too bad.
No.
Weird flex, but Mason's is slightly better.
Still a little bit better.
But he got it from you, right?
I don't remember.
All right. If he got it from
right.
you, then I'll let it slide.
Trying to figure out who's I like more.
Yeah?
I have a favorite.
Oh, you better not say his. Mason, you have a girlfriend of 5 years.
Jack lets me live in his house.
I let you live in this house by proxy. You know, we went content house to this house, so technically speaking, I let you live in this house.
Jackson's sick.
Mason!
He's laughing because he agrees.
No, he does. He thinks mine is cuter. Mine's way cuter. Look at the heart. Oh, he's so cute. Come on, Mason. Mason, this is practically, this is choosing who do you love more, me or Jack? Please pick.
Gotcha.
If you had to pick, me or Jack.
Wait, you talking about
Computer.
computer-wise? Very clarified.
Oh my God, wait, it somehow looks even cooler with the lights on.
Oh yeah. Well, we matched it with the blue and the yellow on the RAM.
Wow.
So it lines up really nice.
Don't say a word.
I'm not muted right now, I'm good.
Oh my God, he's gonna freak out.
All right, so Jack, for all the amazing support you've done for me, man, over the years.
Okay, wait, sorry, we're recording.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
we
this
wing
is-
everything, man. You have
Wait,
no
why
idea.
don't, okay, well, why don't you position this way so I can like look at you while you talk to me?
No. I know this is a stream PC, but for all the support you've done for me, I wanted to do something crazy. And Brooks came out phenomenal too, but yours is pretty crazy as well. So, you ready to see it?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah. Roll mid-roll ad. All right, ready? And now. Yo! Holy sh! Dude, it came out great!
Wait, that's not.
Wait, this one's not mine?
Shut up.
Dude! Yeah! Yo, that's crazy! Holy sh!
Okay, I knew he was gonna like it, but not this much.
Bro, I did not expect a whole custom case. I was like, how much can they do with it by just, because, oh my God. This is one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my whole life.
It matches the room, right?
Oh yeah, does it match the room? Bro, this far exceeded every expectation. This is unbelievable, thank you.
Like I was telling Brooke, our good friend Pseudo, she's an artist.
Yeah.
She's been working with us with the new printer that we got in, and this is what we've been doing. This is actually our first creator builds with the UV print. So you guys are getting.
So what's in this?
So you're keeping this as a stream PC, right?
I mean, whatever you tell me to use it as, yes.
Well, yeah. So this is using the new 14700K, 64 gigs of RAM, and it has the new 4080 Super that just came out in January as well from NVIDIA. 64 gigs of RAM and a 2 terabyte NVMe drive. So more than enough.
Will this give me over 10,000 viewers again for the first time in years?
I'm not sure about that. That's yeah.
You. Dude, wow. Now here's the thing. When does the next set of cards come out, do we know?
Dude, he wants me to break NDA with NVIDIA?
Well, you know I don't know what I don't even know what I'm saying. What I just said might not make any sense. Okay, either way.
I can't say.
You can't say it, great.
Yeah. Dude,
Right?
literally same.
A full custom printed. Isn't that just absurd? And then look, here's Brooks.
The tone change.
It's incredible. The pink is so good too. Did you know that? Did you color your hair for this? Is that why you colored your hair?
No, it's funny. It's funny. I was like, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Look at that, the man himself.
That's a great job. Holy crap.
Hold on, you want to go up to the stream room right now?
You want to take it up there?
I mean, we can. Well, I want to just come show you the stream room.
All right, well, down.
All right. Dude!
I think we know what he did. You know, if he likes the PC or not. What do you guys think?
This is a dream come true.
Yeah.
It looks so good up here.
I'm so glad that you guys were like so unaware what we were doing.
I had no idea. I just thought we were getting a new computer, like a normal.
That's literally what Ray thought too. And then when she saw it, it was the same thing. Like I'm so glad we did these though. The one of one prints just.
Looks so good.
And then of course there's a line, so it looks very sick. The colors obviously match.
The rest of the setup. It looks great here. This adds so much to it. Now people come in here, they're gonna be like, this is gonna be what they react.
What was the one thing they reacted to when they came in here? What was the main thing?
The
Was it
plaques.
wall?
Plaques.
I mean, those are nice plaques.
It's not too bad. We're just getting by here. Why is one of the lights out?
Oh no.
Oh, everything's f***ed. Leave.
All right.
Alexa, stream room lights off.
I guess that's the outro. Thank you guys for coming and watching this video.
Alexa, stream room lights on. No!
By the way,
Shut up!
there's a severe weather alert.
Shut up!
So enjoy the PC.
Thank you, bro.
You know, you got my number. If you ever need anything else, hit me up. And again, thank you for the support as well for all the years. It means a lot.
Man deserves it.
So thank you.
Looks great. Now I gotta set this PC up, so give me 6 hours and I got it.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching everything as well. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, friends.
I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. This was an amazing opportunity. So massive shout out to Ray, Brooke, and Courage. The support has been unreal from them three for the many years that we've been in business. So this was an amazing opportunity to come out here to LA. So once again, thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. It feels like a movie, honestly. But once again, I hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you guys in the next one.